Section 1. The Foundation. What is payroll and why use QBO? Payroll is the entire process of paying your company's employees for their work. It is much more than just writing a check or sending a direct deposit. A proper payroll system also involves tracking important details. These details include employee hours, calculating wages, and withholding taxes. It also manages deductions for benefits like health insurance and retirement plans. The main goal is to pay your employees accurately and on time, every single time. This builds trust and keeps your team happy. Failing to do so can lead to serious problems with your staff and with the government. Using a tool like QuickBooks Online for Payroll makes this complex process much easier. One of the biggest goals of using QBO is automation. The software can automatically calculate how much each person should be paid. It figures out the correct amount of taxes to take out. This saves you a lot of time and reduces the chance of making a math mistake. Automation means you can focus on running your business. It transforms a difficult task into a simple, repeatable process you can rely on. Another key goal is compliance. Tax laws are complicated and they change often. QBO stays updated with the latest federal and state tax rules. The system helps you withhold the right amounts for income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. This ensures correct payments on time and helps you avoid expensive fines and penalties. Finally, QBO Payroll is designed for reporting and integration. It keeps detailed records and connects to your accounting automatically. When you run payroll, expense and liability accounts are updated instantly, keeping financial statements accurate and up to date. Section 2. Getting started. Setting up your payroll system. Turn on the payroll feature within your QBO subscription. A setup interview will guide you. Enter your company's legal name and address, federal tax identification number, and state tax identification number. Enter data accurately to prevent headaches later. Add your company bank account with routing and account numbers. QBO may verify with a small test transaction. Set up pay schedules, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Create multiple schedules for different groups. Add employees. Each needs a complete profile. Enter full legal name, home address, social security or social insurance number, and date of birth. Choose pay type, hourly or salaried. Enter the specific pay rate like $20 per hour or $60,000 per year. Capture W-4 or TD-1 details, dependents and filing status. Add benefits deductions, and enter direct deposit bank info if desired. Once data is in QBO, the system can calculate pay correctly. Exercise 1. Employee setup. Add Sarah Lee in a practice QBO account. Salary $60,000 per year. Pay schedule, semi-monthly. Health insurance deduction $100 per paycheck. Payment method, direct deposit. Section 3. The main event, running payroll and recording transactions. Go to the payroll section and select Run Payroll. Choose the pay schedule. For example, on the 15th, select semi-monthly. Enter regular and overtime hours for hourly staff. Salaries like Sarah Lee's are pre-populated. Add one-time payments or adjustments such as bonuses or reimbursements. QBO calculates gross pay, subtracts taxes and deductions, and shows final net pay. Preview is your most important checkpoint. Review hours, pay rates, and net pay. Approve and submit payroll to authorize payment processing. Direct deposits typically arrive in 1 to 2 business days. QBO can also print checks and pay stubs. Example, Sarah Lee, gross pay $2,500, tax withholding $400, health deduction $100, net pay $2,000 by direct deposit. QBO automatically records payroll with debits and credits. Debit wages expense $2,500, credit cash $2,000, credit tax payable $400, credit benefits payable $100. Exercise 2, payroll journal, gross $2,500, taxes $400, benefits $100, net $2,000. Write out the full journal entry listing debits and credits with amounts. Managing payroll taxes is critical and challenging, but QBO simplifies it. QBO calculates federal and state income taxes, Social Security and Medicare for each paycheck. It also computes employer taxes like matching Social Security and Medicare, unemployment taxes, and keeps a running tax liability. Depending on your plan, QBO can file and pay automatically. Verify deposit schedules and tax account numbers to prevent filing errors. If mistakes happen, use an off-cycle payroll to correct missed hours, wrong rates, or a forgotten bonus, with a clear audit trail. Use payroll summary, payroll details, and tax liability reports to monitor wages, net pay, and taxes. Run January's payroll summary. Identify total gross wages, total net pay, and total tax liability. Best practices: always review before you click submit. Reconcile payroll liability accounts monthly and confirm payments are recorded correctly. Use time tracking integrations and set up auto payroll for salaried employees. You've learned setup, running and recording payroll, using reports, and compliance basics. Open QBO, try the exercises with a sample company, and subscribe to our newsletter for more lessons.